Hey, are you ready to make some serious money in 2025? Listen up, because this isn't some pie-in-the-sky prediction show. We're talking about the real deal, the trends that could make or break your portfolio this year. From AI taking over Wall Street to governments throwing money at green energy, things are changing fast. You know me, I don't sugarcoat things. The market's a beast and you gotta be ahead of the curve to tame it. That's why I'm breaking down the top 5 financial trends you absolutely need to know. We're talking actionable insights, not just some boring financial jargon, so buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the trends that will separate the winners from the, well, let's just say the not-so-winners. This is your chance to get ahead of the game, make smarter investments, and finally achieve those financial dreams. Let's do this. Alright folks, first up is the big one, the game changer, the future of finance, artificial intelligence. Forget what you've heard about robots taking over the world. This is about robots taking over your portfolio, and trust me, that's a good thing. We're not talking about some far-off future, people, this is happening right now. Companies like Wealthfront and Betterment are already using AI to build personalized investment portfolios. These aren't your grandpa's mutual funds. These are sophisticated algorithms that adjust to market conditions in real time, maximizing your returns and minimizing your risk. It's like having a Wall Street guru in your pocket 24/7. But here's the real kicker, and listen closely because this is where the real money is made. AI isn't just for big-time investors anymore. That's right, even if you're just starting out, even if you're a small business owner, there are AI tools out there that can help you level the playing field. Imagine this, AI-powered accounting software that automates your taxes, finds hidden deductions, and saves you a boatload of money. Or how about predictive tools that analyze market trends and tell you exactly where to invest your hard-earned cash? This is the power of AI, folks, and it's available to everyone. And let's not forget about inflation, that silent killer of wealth. AI can help you stay ahead of the curve, identifying investments that will outperform even in a volatile market. We're talking about protecting your savings, growing your wealth, and securing your financial future. This isn't science fiction, people. This is the reality of finance in 2025. So, if you're not already on board the AI train, you're getting left behind. Get informed, get invested, and get ready to profit from the robot revolution. Okay, let's talk interest rates. I know, it's not as sexy as AI, but trust me, this is important stuff. See, the Fed, they've been raising rates like it's going out of style, trying to wrestle inflation to the ground, and you know what? It's working, but it's also making things a little more expensive for borrowers. Mortgages, car loans, business loans, they're all getting pricier. Now that might sound like bad news, and for some folks it is. But for savvy investors, this high interest rate environment is like a golden opportunity, a chance to make your money work harder than ever before. Think about it. Higher interest rates mean better returns on your savings. That's right, those boring old savings accounts and CDs are suddenly looking a lot more attractive. We're talking about interest rates we haven't seen in over a decade, folks. This is your chance to park your cash and watch it grow without lifting a finger. But here's where things get really interesting. See, those high rates, they're not going to last forever. The Fed, they're going to pivot eventually, start lowering rates to stimulate the economy. And when that happens, you want to be ready to strike. That means refinancing your debt while rates are still relatively low. Lock in those lower payments now and free up some cash flow for when the market really takes off. And if you're sitting on a pile of cash, this is the time to invest in those long-term assets you've had your eye on. Remember folks, interest rates are a double-edged sword. They can hurt you if you're not careful, but they can also be your secret weapon to building wealth. So stay informed, stay agile, and be ready to capitalize on the opportunities that come your way. Chapter 3. Going Green. How to cash in on the clean energy boom. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, taxes. Just kidding folks, I know you'd rather watch paint dry. But hold on, because this isn't about paying more taxes, it's about keeping more of your hard-earned money and investing it in the future. I'm talking about green tax incentives, baby. That's right, governments are finally putting their money where their mouth is, offering massive tax breaks for individuals and businesses that go green. We're talking about solar panels, electric vehicles, energy-efficient upgrades, the whole shebang. In the US, the Inflation Reduction Act is a game changer. Imagine claiming up to 30% of your solar installation costs back as a tax credit. That's like getting a discount on a discount. And it's not just the feds, states are getting in on the action too, offering their own sweet incentives. And up north in Canada, they're not messing around either. the Canada Greener Homes Grant is offering rebates up to $5,000 for home retrofits. That's right, the government is practically paying you to make your home more energy efficient. But here's the thing, folks. This isn't just about saving money on your taxes. This is about investing in the future, in a cleaner, more sustainable world. And let's be honest, who doesn't want to save the planet and make a killing in the process? These green tax incentives, they're not going to last forever. So, if you've been thinking about going solar, upgrading your appliances, or finally taking the plunge on that electric car, now is the time to act. Don't miss out on this opportunity to save money, reduce your carbon footprint, and be a part of the clean energy revolution. Remember folks, going green isn't just good for the planet, it's good for your wallet too. Chapter 4. Micro-investing, turning pennies into profits. Alright, let's talk about the little guy, the everyday investor, the person who thought Wall Street was only for the rich and famous. Well, I'm here to tell you that's all changing thanks to the rise of micro-investing. These aren't your father's brokerage accounts, folks. We're talking about apps like Acorns, Wealthsimple, and Robinhood, platforms that let you invest with as little as $1. That's right, you can start building your financial future with the change you find in your couch cushions. These platforms are a game changer for young people, for those who are new to investing, or for anyone who thought they couldn't afford to get started. They take the intimidation out of investing, offering simple, easy-to-use interfaces and automated portfolios that do the heavy lifting for you. And here's the best part. Micro-investing platforms are constantly innovating, adding new features and investment options all the time. We're talking about fractional shares, which let you buy a piece of even the most expensive stocks, and cryptocurrency investing, which gives you access to the hottest asset class on the planet. Remember that video I did on growing $100? Well, micro-investing is the perfect way to put those principles into action. Start small, invest consistently, and watch your money grow over time. The beauty of micro-investing is that it's accessible to everyone. You don't need a lot of money, you don't need to be a financial expert, all you need is a smartphone and the desire to take control of your financial future. So, what are you waiting for? Download one of these apps today and start investing in your future, one penny at a time. Chapter 5. Beyond the stock market, the rise of alternative investments. Alright folks, let's get a little adventurous, a little daring, a little alternative. I'm talking about the world of alternative investments, where the rules are different, the risks are higher, but the potential rewards are through the roof. Now, don't get me wrong, I still love the stock market. It's the backbone of our economy, the engine of growth. But let's face it, it can also be a bit of a roller coaster ride. That's why it's important to diversify your portfolio, to look beyond the traditional and explore the exciting world of alternative investments. We're talking about things like private equity, where you're investing directly in companies that aren't publicly traded. Or how about collectibles like rare art, vintage cars, or even those Beanie Babies your grandma swore would make you rich one day. And then there's real estate, the granddaddy of alternative investments. But we're not just talking about buying a rental property here. I'm talking about REITs, real estate investment trusts, which let you invest in a diversified portfolio of properties with much lower barriers to entry. And for you business-minded folks out there, platforms like Fundrise and YieldStreet are making it easier than ever to access these previously exclusive markets. We're talking about democratizing finance, giving everyone a chance to invest like the big boys. And let's not forget about our friends up north. Canadians are embracing alternative investments like peer-to-peer lending, where you're essentially becoming the bank, and sustainable investing, where you're putting your money into companies that are making a positive impact on the world. The key here, folks, is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk, explore different asset classes, and find investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Remember, the world of alternative investments can be volatile, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. So, do your research, consult with a financial advisor, and get ready to explore the exciting world beyond the stock market. Outro: make 2025 your best financial year yet. There you have it, folks. The top 5 financial trends that could make or break your portfolio in 2025. From the rise of AI to the green energy boom and the exciting world of alternative investments. There are opportunities everywhere for those who are paying attention. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about these trends, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions and achieve your financial goals. So, do your homework, stay informed, and never be afraid to ask questions. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these trends are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're ready to dive deeper, check out my videos on how to save money in 2025 and how to grow $100 fast. Remember, the smartest investment you can make is in yourself. Subscribe to Smart Money with Jim for more tips and strategies to make 2025 your best financial year yet. See you in the next video.